Today I'm going to show you how you can test the Honda K series IACV. But before that, let's see how does it work. Let me dismantle it. So this is the rotary mechanism. ECU controls the amount of air flowing through these holes by this valve. I hope you can see it. So this is basically a coil. You provided 12 volt on 2 pins and a PWM signal, and according to the PWM provided, this rotatory mechanism rotates. Let's put it back up and test it. So this little adjustment is advance and retardation of IACV. You can advance it and retard it. The advancing it increases the amount of air passing through at default position, and then ECU control it either way. But as there is a limitation in the tables are hard coded. ECU can compensate to a certain level, but after that it will not. So it will affect the idle if you advance it or retard it. For testing, I am using a microcontroller which will be Arduino, a N-channel MOSFET and a variable resistor. I am going to use Arduino to drive the IACV through MOSFET, and will be controlling PWMs of Arduino through a variable resistor. The pinouts of this K series IACV are: this is the control pin which connects to the ECU, middle one is the power pin, positive 12 volt, and the last one is the ground pin. Let me wire it up. IACV wired. I have closed up the camera so you can actually see the valve moving. Now I'm going to change the duty cycle of the PWM through a variable, and you can see the valve opening. There is no fluctuation of the valve or no jerks. It means it is absolutely fine. This is fully open, 100% duty cycle or something, and this is fully closed. That's how you control your idle. This is the basic code. I'm using one analog pin as an input from a variable resistor and one digital pin as an output for a PWM signal, and it's just simple mapping. And this is a simple circuit. Now you can see it more clearly, the valve moving, and that's how you can test any PWM based IACV.